Are you secretly aging your skin without realizing it? Here's the ultimate anti-aging skincare routine that could reverse the signs of time starting today. As we age, fine lines, wrinkles, and loss of firmness are inevitable. But what if these signs of aging don't have to be so prominent? You might think that expensive creams or treatments are the only way to maintain youthful skin, but the truth is, with the right routine, you can slow down the aging process. Consistency and using the right ingredients are the key. Here's the ultimate anti-aging skincare routine that can help you achieve glowing, youthful skin at any age. The ultimate anti-aging skincare routine. Cleanse gently. Begin with a gentle cleanser that removes dirt and makeup without stripping your skin's natural oils. Look for hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin to keep the skin moisturized. Cleansing is crucial, but over-cleansing can damage your skin barrier, which speeds up aging. Tone with antioxidants. After cleansing, apply a toner packed with antioxidants like vitamin C or green tea. These ingredients fight free radicals that damage your skin and accelerate aging. A good toner restores your skin's pH, making it ready to absorb the following treatments. Serum with retinol or peptides. Next, apply a serum. Retinol vitamin A is a powerful anti-aging ingredient that stimulates collagen production, reduces fine lines, and fades dark spots. For sensitive skin, try bakuchiol, a gentler retinol alternative. For added firming, use a peptide serum that helps improve skin elasticity by stimulating collagen and elastin. Moisturize for hydration. A good moisturizer is essential to keeping your skin hydrated and plump. As we age, the skin's ability to retain moisture declines. Look for a moisturizer with hyaluronic acid to draw moisture into the skin, and ceramides to restore and protect the skin's barrier. If you have dry skin, go for a richer formula. For oily skin, a lightweight gel-based moisturizer will work best. Eye cream for delicate skin. The area around your eyes is delicate and prone to fine lines and puffiness. Use an eye cream that contains caffeine to reduce puffiness, or retinol to address fine lines. If dark circles are a concern, choose one with niacinamide to brighten and smooth the under-eye area. Sunscreen, your best anti-aging tool. The sun is the #1 cause of premature aging, causing wrinkles, dark spots, and sagging. Protect your skin every day with a broad-spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen. Make sure to apply it in the morning, even when it's cloudy, and reapply throughout the day. Night care for repair. At night, your skin goes into repair mode, making it the perfect time to use nourishing products. A night cream with retinol or peptides will enhance collagen production and skin regeneration. Adding a face oil like rosehip or argan oil will provide extra hydration and help restore your skin's natural elasticity.